हेलो नमस्कार टू एवरीवन। आप सबका थिंक बियॉन्ड नॉइज में स्वागत है। टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट सेगमेंट दैट इज pertaining to your GS paper 2, that is the sometime is called the infrastructure, and also we can called here in the syllabus that is in your vulnerable group, that is the women. First time, that is the World Bank released a toolkit. Toolkit means some type of the suggestions, some type of the recommendation regarding the transport system in context of the Indian woman. So, right now we are going to see that is the what is the toolkit and why this toolkit applicables on the Indian woman, and also we will see that what is the important, that is the main recommendation that made by the World Bank with regard to the transport system infrastructure and also the transportation in the context of the Indian woman. So, let us see, चलिए देखते हैं. First, what is the news? See news. The World Bank released the new toolkit, the making urban transport. Here in the focus on the only urban transport. Urban transport better for the Indian women. So, that's why the toolkit released by the World Bank. And this toolkit enabling the gender responsive urban mobility and public space in India. So, this aim of this toolkit to suggesting way to make a public transport in Indian city more inclusive, and also the infrastructure in the gender lens, seeing a infrastructure in the gender lens means develop the infrastructure in the gender lens. So, see first what is the toolkit. See the toolkit, that is the recommendation, that is the suggestion, that is the importance because of the integrating a gender lens in the transport policy and infrastructure. There are two here keyword, either transport policy and the infrastructure. Also always consider in the development of all these things in the gender lens. See with the gender lens means the woman inclusive, gender inclusive infrastructure. इससे that's why इससे क्या होगा, that the transport, urban transport would be safer especially for the woman. And this toolkit developed by the World Bank with the help of the 50 case study of the best practices across the world, सारी दुनिया से. So, the special inculcation of the Indian context, a special inculcation of the Indian context. So, see why this toolkit. The toolkit, see in the lower socio-economic group, that is the lower socio-economic group are the biggest user of the public transport in the Indian city. चूँकि बड़े लोग तो अपने ट्रांसपोर्ट से जाते हैं, अपने गाड़ी से जाते हैं. सो द लोअर सोशियो इकोनॉमिक ग्रुप इज द बिगर यूजर ऑफ दिस पब्लिक ट्रांसपोर्ट in Indian city. And you know very well, women have the unique mobility pattern. See here, unique mobility pattern held by the women, urban women, especially urban women, because they travel on the shorter distance. Suppose that they go to the work, and in the lunch time they reach in the home, go to the school, back to the home and back to the office. So, unique mobility pattern that have, this unique mobility pattern that increase the what we call here higher cost compared to the men, and also the some of the safety, perception of safety, also a type of the concern regarding the women in the in the India urban mobility system, means urban transport system. And again see the why that's why the India's female labor participation rate is among lowest in the world, just 30%. Why? Because of this transport system is not better suited for the Indian women. That's why the some of the women is eager to work, but due to the transportation system, some लड़कियां हैं जो अब बाहर पढ़ना चाहती है because of the transportation system that is not able to go outside the home for the study and for the employments. Clear? So these are the reason, that's why the World Bank released the toolkits. So the reason behind the face higher cost of traveling. So you know very well what is the reason behind the higher cost of traveling. First reason, there are listed of the 3 reasons of this toolkit. The first reason, that is the unique pattern, unique mobility pattern stitched together various short commute to fulfill the many responsibility they have. World Bank requires, as for example earlier I told you, हमने पहले बोला अगर ऑफिस जाती है महिलाएं तो लंच टाइम में कोशिश करती हैं कि घर आ जाए, घर से फिर स्कूल चल जाए, बच्चे को ले आए, फिर बच्चे को फिर घर पे पहुंचा के फिर ऑफिस में चला जाए. सो दे हैव ए सच यूनिक मोबिलिटी पैटर्न, और इस यूनिक मोबिलिटी पैटर्न इंक्रीज द कॉस्ट ऑफ दिस द ट्रांसपोर्टेशन सिस्टम ट्रांसपोर्ट. एंड दिस वर्ल्ड बैंक द रिकॉग्नाइज ए वेरी यूनिक वर्ड. सो यू रिमेंबर दिस वर्ड ट्रिप चेनिंग. Trip chaining, because of the trip chaining, the increase the travel cost of the woman. And second, that women also make the decision to certain kind of more expensive route. Why? Because of the perception of the security, perception of the safety, that women normally avoid the short route and take the long route. वो हमेशा सेफ्टी के चलते लॉन्ग रूट लेना पसंद करती है, जबकि शॉर्ट रूट को अवॉइड करती है ड्यू टू द सेफ्टी. इन सारी चीज़ों को लेकर इससे क्या होगा, दैट इंक्रीज द कॉस्ट ऑल्सो. अगर लॉन्ग रूट लेगी तो कॉस्ट ऑल्सो इंक्रीज करेगा. तो इसके कारण उनके जो हाइयर कॉस्ट हो जाते हैं ट्रेवलिंग में. The World Bank, this amount, that amount they increase the cost. It's a very unique word here mentioned by the World Bank, that is called pink tax. Means all these factor amount together as the pink tax that they specifically burden women and they impede them from making optimal decision for themselves. So that is the reason that increase the higher cost of the traveling. First is trip chaining, second certain kind of more expensive route to or the form transport on account of them being perceived to be safer. So that increase the tax, that is called the pink tax. What does the World Bank toolkit suggest? What is the suggestion? Suggestion is the 4 pillar suggestion by the World Bank. The first pillar, that to understand the on ground situation with the gender lens. Means अगर आप कोई ट्रांसपोर्ट हो, कोई ट्रांसपोर्ट या कोई इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर डेवलप करते हो, तो दैट यू हैव टू बी अंडरस्टैंड ऑन ग्राउंड सिचुएशन ऑन द जेंडर लेंस. जेंडर लेंस मीन्स देखना पड़ेगा कि ट्रांसपोर्टेशन सिस्टम में इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर किस प्रकार की महिलाओं की मदद करती है. सेकेंड, द प्रिवेलिंग issues are identified. What is the issues that arise through this infrastructure, through this the policy, especially with regard to the woman. So that's why the World Bank release World Bank that World Bank say that if you any policy, any development you want to make and you want to release that any policy you want to make, you have included the woman as a stakeholder. That woman better know own situation other than the man compared to the man. So third is toolkit emphasize the building gender sensitivity. Gender sensitivity बनाने, transport awareness among service providers. For examples in the bus, conductor, constable, जो भी constable beat है, जो traffic police है, all are awareness about the woman sensitivities, what the woman have, what the woman right now required, all these things. And also infrastructure, as for example the lower bus floor, that the lower bus floor, as for example in the infrastructure that developed by the our authorities. Clear? Means everyone know that women have how to address them. That is the gender sensitivity. gender sensitivity. Fourth, as for example, the investment made better infrastructure and service with the focus on woman friendly design. As for example, we see the low floor buses, we see the sanitization, we see the street lighting better, we see the camera and other things, CCTV camera. Other things, floor bus, adequate lighting, SOS button, well maintained washroom, all are developed along with the infrastructure and public transport system. So, besides all these things, the World Bank also suggested the creation of wide obstruction free footpath create करना, street lighting अच्छी होनी चाहिए, clear signage होनी चाहिए, dedicated bicycle lanes होनी चाहिए, and subsidize and making free transport for the women. So these are the suggestion made by the World Bank in the toolkit, especially in the Indian context and especially in the Indian women. So these are the all these things about regarding the World Bank toolkit. So this is very important for your infrastructure, UPSC GS paper 2 and also the women issue. You can if anyone ask you regarding the examination, you can, this is a very benefit for your examination as far as concerned with your infrastructure. So all these things, thank you and have a good day.